After severe opposition, Kenya is now ordered for a halt to preparations for a US-run Ebola quarantine facility in the country. The deadly protests, in fact, shook the East African nation since the facility was announced in the month of May for potential American citizens who would be evacuated from the Democratic Republic of Congo, which is grappling with a major Ebola outbreak. The move that was announced by Kenya's Health Minister Adan Duale comes after a Kenyan court held the minister in contempt for failing to respond to the order. Now, appearing in court on Tuesday, he expressed regret and was pardoned. The minister, however, defended the plan, saying that the fear of Ebola spreading outside of the military base was scientifically unfounded, adding that it could have also been used for Kenyan soldiers serving in the DRC. Now, the facility was constructed at the Laikipia Air Base, about 200 kilometers from the capital, Nairobi, with some 50 isolation beds, and was expected to be managed by US medical staff. The scale of the unrest had come as a bit of a shock to the Kenyan and the US governments. 2 days of unrest in Laikipia claimed 3 lives this month. Now, Kenya has never recorded a case of Ebola, and many oppose bringing potentially infected carriers of this highly infectious disease into the country. The Kenyan President William Ruto previously had said that it would be unfortunate to refuse the request for the quarantine center after decades of US health assistance. And WION's correspondent Louisa Olani has sent us this report from Lagos in Nigeria. Listen in.
A Kenyan court has held Health Minister Adan Duale in contempt for ignoring an order to halt a US-funded Ebola quarantine facility at Laikipia Air Base. The project sparked protest, with opponents alleging it favored US interests, leading to violence that left 3 people dead and property destroyed. Duale has now ordered the suspension of all the construction. The decision has drawn mixed reactions. Some see it as a win for the rule of law and sovereignty, while others say it came too late as the facility was nearly complete. The court will now give a final ruling on the matter. From Lagos, Nigeria, Louisa Olani, WION, World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.